Da, Adinach Badolan Niver Peswa. Welcome to program number 4. Fatlagenis, Dalor. Today we're going to learn a very, very useful Tamm Kernewek. That's a bit of Cornish. Mi'ara. More of that later, but first I've got to pop into work.
Yo Steve, Ditha.
Ditha Tamsin.
Fatlagenis.
Pure tha Miraz. Ate Fatlagenis.
Dalawa. Mi'ara Cavalsan Form.
Miraz. Ditha Magda.
Divda Steve, Fatlagenis.
Pure tha Miraz. Ate Fatlagenis.
In Poida, Chris Coffee Ale. Usse is this?
Zima sackers them.
Miara and Gater.
Mi'ara Squitchia and Fu and Gelter.
Mira Cavasan Hanafo.
Coffee Marplank.
Hello? Mira Gora Coffee and Hanafo?
Mi'ara Gulan Leth.
Mira Cavasan Tazanocales.
Wow, that's quite a lot of Cornish, and all from mi'ara, which means I do or I will. And when you add a verb on the end, this makes the present or future tense. Mi'ara cavosan form. I will get the form. Mi'ara lenwil and galter. I will fill the kettle. Mi'ara squitchia in fu and galter. I'll switch the kettle on. Mi'ara kavos and hanafo. I will get the cups. Mi'ara gora and coffee in hanafo. I will put the coffee into the cups. Mi'ara gulan leth. I will do the milk. Coffee.
Mirasti.
Okay, so we're going to show you just how useful this mi'ara is. Mi'ara ever.
Mi'ara Scrifa.
Mira Regia.
Mira Jean Scrifa.
Mi'ara causal. Miraz and coffee, Magda.
Mi'ara Pelgazel. Ditha Ala Fi Kozel Gans Elizabeth.
Mira Dibri.
Mi'ara Moors. Dugenis Tamsin.
Dugenes.
Dugenis Magda. Dugenis Lucy.
Dugenis Steve, Daweles de Lune.
Dawelis de Lune. Dugenachwi. So if you want to say what you do, just look up a verb in the dictionary and add it after mi'ara. Mi'ara scrifa, I write. Mi'ara redia, I read. Mi'ara jinscrifa, I type. Mi'ara causal, I speak. Mi'ara eva, I drink. Mi'ara pelgausal, I phone. Mi'ara dibri, I eat. Mi'ara moors, I go. That's all for this month. Join me again in July when we'll be looking at likes and dislikes in the comfy setting of the Chapel and Gansblithen, the Wetherspoon pub in Bodmin. Du genes, bis the Nesatra, du genachwi.